Hey there! Today we're diving into the 4 hottest AI tools of 2025. They'll help you create content, images, and videos super fast, in just a few minutes. If you're looking to speed up your creative work, this is the video for you. First up, ChatGPT 5, OpenAI's smartest and most natural AI generation yet. With its super deep understanding of context, ChatGPT 5 can help you write scripts, create marketing content, plan things out, or even write code in just a few seconds. What's really cool is its ability to work in many languages, sound natural, and even understand how users are feeling. If you're a content creator, ChatGPT 5 will be an essential assistant in 2025. Next up is MidJourney V6, the AI image creation tool that's leading the way. With this new version, MidJourney V6 creates incredibly realistic images, cinematic lighting, and details that look like they were taken with a real camera. You just need to type a short description, and the AI will turn that idea into a work of art. This is perfect for anyone in design, creating thumbnails, or making creative illustration videos. The third tool is Runway Gen-2, a platform that helps you turn images into videos in just a few minutes. No editing skills needed. Runway automatically creates movement, lighting, camera angles, and film-like effects. You can input images of characters, scenes, or descriptive prompts, and Runway will create a complete video from them. This is awesome for anyone making TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or advertisements. Finally, there's Copy.ai, a super fast AI tool for writing marketing content. You can create headlines, video descriptions, ad copy, and even emails with just a few clicks. Copy.ai also supports natural Vietnamese and has many ready-made templates. This is the perfect choice for creators, marketers, and business owners. So, those were the 4 hottest AI tools of 2025 that you definitely don't want to miss. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and follow so you don't miss out on the latest AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.